horrific road mishap in Dipu claims 3 lives. A very good morning to all the viewers who's watching the news right now. You are with Jirbon Kilimpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. In a high-intensity road accident which took place on Wednesday afternoon, 3 persons were killed on the spot, leaving their families in shock and misery. Here is more from our report. The horrific accident occurred at Birla near Bharat Hindustan Petroleum BOC on the Dipu Manta Road at around 12 noon. A truck bearing registration number AMA 7017, an auto and a bike with registration number AS09D1829 collided with each other, resulting in the death of 3 persons. According to locals, the auto rickshaw and bike heading towards Dipu town, while the truck was moving from the opposite direction, met with a sudden head-on collision on the road. The driver of the truck fled from the scene.
মেডিকেল লৈ গৈছে এইখিনি দুটা পৰি আছিলে মানুহবিলাক জমা হোৱাৰ পিছত আৰু কোনোবা আহিছে কান্দিছে এইবিলাক কামা নাকুম এইবিলাক দেখিলে দেখিছোঁ মৰা 2জন জেগাতে গৈ আছে কোনটো গাড়ী মাৰিছিলে ট্ৰাকটোৱে মাৰিছে ট্ৰাকখন কোনফালৰ পৰা আহিছিলে এইফালৰ পৰা আহিছে মানে ক'ৰ পৰা ক'লৈ গৈ আছে ট্ৰাকখন এইটো নাজানো ক'ৰ পৰা ক'ত গৈছে এইফালৰ পৰা আহিছে আৰু মাৰিছে ট্ৰাক ড্ৰাইভাৰটো দেখিয়ে পোৱা নাই পলালে না আছে এইটো দেখি পোৱা নাই মই আহোঁতে দেখি পোৱা নাই।
The 3 persons who were killed in the accident were identified as 23 years old Dipu Tokbi, son of Chandra Tokbi and Monju Teronpi of Forest Colony, 25 years old Gobindo Brahma, son of Sanjay Kumar Brahma and Reboti Brahma of Mitipang, and 35 years old Subhash Malakar of Birla. Gobindro was an ex-footballer and was working as a trainer in a gym at Birla, while Subhash Malakar, who had left behind his wife, 3 daughters and his son, was an auto driver. Police reached the spot of the accident and took the bodies to the hospital for post-mortem. The incident had left the people of Dipu in great shock. Meanwhile, the cause of the accident have not been ascertained at the time of filing this report. Bikram Cross report from Dipu for Karbiang Live. The Senma holders of the hill districts, who are not part of the Senma Holder and Suppliers Association, had accused them of collecting illegal taxes from its office along the Manta Dimapur Road. This was stated at a press conference convened by the Senma holders on Wednesday. The press conference by the Senma holders, which was convened at 12:30 in the afternoon, were also attended by Bimal Teron, Sikari Pathar, Ganesh Teron, Jamuna River, Tongkeswar Boro, Sungpura, Nihang Rongpi, Korkanti, and Thong Teron, Gongapur, among others. During the press conference, the Senma holder Bimal Teron alleged that SMSA have been involved in collecting illegal taxes of Rs 3,000 from each sand-laden truck without issuing any challan receipt at the counter. He also alleged that the SMSA has also been preventing them from transporting sand on refusing to pay the amount they had been demanding from them. Further, he also informed that a case has been filed at Manta police station and the matter has also been conveyed to the higher authority, but they have not got any justice from the authority. The Senma holder has also urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for intervention and justice. In addition to this, the Senma holders also urge upon the KAAC to take up their issue, terming it as a very serious matter and also because their livelihood depend on it.
Bini nili press meet gidonai ko alam pela po hello nilidum sangtia mohol itu niki government ben tender chuki dun ben itum long lok ben kitu claim chodam kisung na joine si pini media thengno ta lentum wang nang kok sipini kenan shot media thengno ke wang ek nang kok le lang lo pima nilitum government royalty tabak kawin itong tulap at ipustame itong makiklaim kidam kisu kito joine piluma pulutang te nilitum ladak manja pen Dimapur laswadak 22 mile ko adimalo ajak dingkloi ben alang tum kiseng là Senma Holders and Supplier Association song do suri sisi contribution pilo langso suri sisi nitum ihum long piti penta ako nituman nang kikhang ng pasik sa patuturo ama sila pendesi niltum ako lang tuman pulo nitum la sono bangay elo nitum mithang jungjung sin nitum bahara ke NC to konagari pinakapot nitum bhana bangke la suri sisi nang endun no tumha line agari ba dimapur pen ke bang agari pene la oi bang nitum eno nitum association tiklem eno dan nitum ke nitum mohol ke tiklem along ke tuyor telang long ke nitum hane la hai ni pisik sagre no ku pen jok sin nitum 3 kilo.
News Desk report with Bikram Crew for Carbianlong Live. Infrastructure plays a huge role in providing needed environment for imparting quality education. And the lack of the infrastructure is what affecting the educational environment of Koilamati Arlong Rupat High School inside the Koilamati area. Our correspondent has sent us this report. Located inside the Nilip MSC constituency, Koilamati Arlong Rupat High School was established in 1987 and huge number of locals have received their education from this school and have also been able to pursue higher education. However, the lack of boundary wall has been affecting the school environment, which is directly affecting on teachers and students. The tree saplings planted on Environment Day and other plants have all been destroyed by bovine and other cattle. And more importantly, the lack of boundary wall also creates distraction to students during the classes. According to locals, the absence of wall is also causing concerns among the school authority over the entire security, including properties of the schools. Following this, locals have urged upon the Carbianlong Autonomous Council and Member of Parliament to take steps to provide boundary wall for the school, which is the hope of the area. Samson Ingti from Koilamati and Sonjit Crow from Chokiola for Carbianlong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Carbianlong Live and stay safe.